So, hello students, this is class 4th, lesson 13, subject GK. We are studying subject GK. Where is this chart? Lesson 13 and subject GK. I am writing here subject GK. Lesson 13, traditional costumes. Every persons of every states wear a particular type of the costumes, and you also wear different type of the costumes in different seasons and on different occasions. Different countries have different type of the costumes. Chinese wears a particular type of the costumes. Nepalians have their own costumes. Our country has own costumes. So today we are going to study about traditional costumes. So now you see page number 20. You see page number 20 and you observe the pictures are given here. You see here so many pictures are given here. You identify the country of these type of the costumes. Countries people use such type of the costumes. So first you see what they are wearing. Kurta and dhoti. Kurta and dhoti. So which country peoples of which country wear kurta and dhoti? In India. Mostly in India people wear kurta and dhoti. So first you have to write in the case of the first below the first diagram India. So first is India. Now second you identify. Second costume is identified. Second is Mexico. It is the costume of Mexico. So second you have to write Mexico. Mexico. Now third you identify, observe the third. It is the costume of Scotland. Scotland. Third you see Scotland. It is the costume of Scotland. Third. Now fourth. It is the costume of Japan. So fourth, you see here this is fourth. This is fourth. This one is the costume of Japan. So fourth, in front of fourth, you have to write as the Japan. Fourth. Now fifth, this is a very peculiar uniform, peculiar costume. So fifth, it is the costume of Russia. It is the costume of Russia. Number six, you are familiar to this. These are the six in the Gulf countries, and Gulf countries we is having the Saudi Arabia. This is burqa, and they having some special type costumes are there, and they prefer to wear such type of the costumes. So this is the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. And now chapter 6, seventh you have to see, seventh. Seventh, it is I think this is seventh. You see, this one is this is the costume, traditional costume of Vietnam. Seventh. Vietnam. And eighth you have to see, this is the Norway. And ninth you have to see, this is also a very peculiar uniform, or the very peculiar costumes. This is the costume of Turkey. This is the costume of Turkey. Ninth. This is costume of Turkey. And 10th you have to see. 9th, 10th. This is costume of 10th, Mongolia. And 11th, I have to see the 11th. This is Namibia, costume of Namibia. Namibia. So once again we have to see different costumes and related countries. So first you see, it is kurta dhoti, and this is costume of India. Second one is of the Mexico, and third is costume of Scotland, and fourth is it is of the Japan, and fifth it is of Russia, and sixth you see the sixth it is of the Saudi Arabia, and seventh is of Vietnam, and eighth having Norway, and ninth it is the costume of Turkey, and 10th It is the costume of, you see the 10th, this is the costume of Mongolia, and 11th, that is the Namibia. So thank you, that's for today. So you read properly, learn properly, and I will send you detailed notes to you, and then you have to write in your notebook. And today you have to write in your the textbook. Here, as here line is given here. Here first, here you write here the India, here you write in Mexico, and in this way it is the different countries, name of different countries you have to write below the diagram. So thank you, that's for today.